In this episode of FJ Cruisin', we try an easy fix to cool down our leaky AC in the FJ. Will it work? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to FJ Cruising. I'm trying to chill in my FJ here. It's only a cool 97 degrees outside right now in Arizona. And my AC, I've got it on, low here. I don't even have it on max high. Just looks for max high. Right on low, full blast everything, straight up out the front. And it doesn't feel very cool at all. I've got a thermometer inside, and it's giving me a reader. You can see that 73 right now. I went and got a can of R134 refrigerant. Oh my god, it's up to 78. I also got a tool with the gauge to top off the refrigerant. We're about to go on a trip. Last thing we want is to be in a car with no AC. If we could get that temperature lower, hopefully a lot lower, from 80. Yikes. Let's pop the hood. Don't mind the muddy engine bay. I went through some puddles when I was camping up northern Arizona, and dang, that stuff just stains everything. I have to figure out how to get it off. This is the tool I got at Autobone. It's $26.99 there currently. Got a can of refrigerant right here. Oh wait, I think I have another can with stop leak. Yes, I got a can with a stop leak, so I'm going to use that. Basically, we're going to connect this to here, point, and this part's going to go to the car. Now let's check the AC. Let's check our temperature and see where we're at again on the gauge. 77 is where we're at right before we do this. I got the AC on full blast. I got it connected on the can here, which screws right on, and then this guy we're going to spin, but I'm going to do that after I connect this part here. So we're going to take this part, and this connects to the car. You got to find your AC line, which is right here, and this is our low. There's actually a little L on here as well that shows, but your low is usually the larger one, and this should also be cold, but right now it's not. So if you got issues with the AC, it might not be cold. This aluminum line. We're going to take this, and it should pop right on there. Looks like it's a quick connect. I like to hold the bottom of the line there so I'm not just pushing it down and I don't bend anything or break anything. Okay, feels secure. Oh, we got some pressure already, it looks like, so we're just going to go for the green range. Looks like we're pretty low currently. Now I'm going to open this and watch that gauge at the same time. I guess I got to righty-tighty it. We got some action. Flip the can. Ooh, we got a little bit of action already. He's doing good. I'm just flipping the can back and forth. Don't want to go too high, so let's go ahead and close it off for now. Well, let's do a little bit more. Oh, looks like we're doing so good. Okay, we're higher up there in that range now, so I'm going to back this off. Sometimes it spikes up and down, so you don't want to overdo it right away. Just feel this pipe. It's not cold yet. Well, let's go check the temperature gauge. Oh my lordy lord, it dropped immediately. Okay, alright. Look at that, 64. That's still not. I looked online and it says it's supposed to be between like 38 degrees and 43 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not even close. It might add a little more, but it just dropped another degree to 63. Already an improvement, but oh, 62. Hello. Maybe it needs to run through the system a little bit. I'm gonna let it run for maybe 5-10 minutes, and let's see what the temperature stays at. All right, so our gauge is sitting at about 31, 32. Wonder if I want to add just a tad bit more. That line is cold. That's good. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my God, it was open that entire time. I think the can might be empty, and that just saved my ass. Well, yeah. Can is empty, folks. I hope I didn't overdo it. I closed this. This is righty open because this punctures down into the can, and lefty closed because the needle comes back up. And I actually almost ruined my entire AC right now. That's what not to do. It looks like I got saved by a low can because I've used that can before a couple times. I have another can here. I'm gonna use it, but just ever so slightly, and I'm gonna really focus to turn that knob the right way. It's the only crazy thing, you know. With those other ones on the cans, it's got a little trigger pull, and you just stop when you're done. This one's knobby manual, so you gotta turn the dang thing. Anyways, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I got the other can hooked up here. I'm a little nervous to do it right this time. Okay. It's real weird watching it through the camera lens and stuff. Here we go. Open it. It's going. The gauge, you can see it climbing. I'm going to tilt the can a bit, because that helps. Helps it go in. More. It's not really filling it up much more. It's almost going down at this point, which is weird. I almost don't want to mess with it anymore. That pipe is still cold. I'm going to disconnect that and just see where our temperature goes to. Okay guys, I got it down to 53. After topping it off a little more with that can. We got the cap back on. That's really nice and cold right there, so pretty happy with that, going from like, what was that, 70, I think, 70, 74, 70. That's unacceptable. That's not even a cool breeze. But 53 sure is. Anyways, that was just a quick how-to. Hopefully it'll help you if you're in a pickle and you need some cool air. Real easy. These cans go for, I think, about 14, 15 bucks. Depends where you get them. You get them for a couple bucks less, a couple bucks more. Stop leak one, obviously a little more expensive, but it might help you out. These cans are cool because they're resealable. You can use them over and over. Still feels pretty full. This one's definitely empty. Thank goodness it was almost empty when I was using it. So this about, like I said, $26.99 plus tax, 15. What are you looking at? About 40, 50 bucks, and you got cold AC again. Try that, and hopefully it works for you. If it does, let me know in the comments, as we say. If it doesn't, keep searching, and I hope you find out what it is. I'll see you next time.
I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember.